Welcome back to Grandpa Reacts, and Grandpa's back with another karaoke reaction. And today we're gonna do Kelly Clarkson covers "It's Raining Men" by the Weather Girls. It's raining men. Okay, appreciate y'all. If you're new around here, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, notification bells on so you get all my videos. And let's get right into it. 1, 2, 3. It's raining, Grandpa. Grandpa. Wow. Let me stop here and say how good Kelly Clarkson looks. Looks fantastic in that dress she has on. Amazing. Her makeup looks on fleek. Love it. Appreciate y'all. Oh, our girl is amazing, guys. She needs to be raining men. But she should be single. Never mind that. Oh, there's the backup. There you go. There's my baby. There's my baby. I want to marry her. Oh, hear that background music, guys? The backups. Oh, it's raining men. It's raining grandpas. Raining grandpas. Come on now. Yeah, I can rock with Kelly all day, guys. I'm telling you, yo. You're welcome. You have a great night, too. Appreciate you. Guys, it's raining grandpas out there, guys. You know what I mean? By the Weather Girls. Appreciate y'all. Kelly Clarkson, the queen. You know how fantastic she looks. Come on, guys. You know how she looks great all the time. Appreciate you guys. If you're new around here, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, notification bells on so you get all my videos, and I'll see you next time. Peace.